I'm Matt Bishar with REITWeek here in New York City for REITWeek 2016, NAREIT's Investor Forum. Joining me is Paul Adornato, Managing Director with BMO Capital Markets. Paul, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So far this year, real estate market fundamentals seem to have held up fairly well. Do you expect that to continue as we head into the second half?
Yes, I think in general things are looking pretty good for most sectors in real estate. Of course, there's always macroeconomic concerns. The election seems to be a big wild card and something a lot of folks are watching, including the markets, the capital markets, that is. But overall, with unemployment relatively low, spending relatively stable, and the economy on a track of slow growth, things are looking pretty positive for a continued real estate rally, if you will.
So on the flip side, are there any potential trouble spots looming out there for REITs?
I think if we look at regional malls, there are some concerns about traffic, given the concerns and the problems faced by the department stores. The mall owners are working, as they always have over their entire history, in order to generate traffic and interest in the malls by introducing more entertainment, more dining options, and also mixed uses into the malls. Other concerns are within the self-storage sector. The rally, the multi-year outperformance of self-storage has attracted a lot of attention. There's now a lot of concern that the new supply might snuff out the very, very strong operating metrics. So these are things that investors are kind of focused on as we continue this year.
I was going to ask you to look in your crystal ball and imagine we're sitting here 6 months from now at REIT World in Arizona. What's going to be the big story percolating around the halls?
I think it's going to be, how much longer or what inning are we in terms of the real estate cycle. Most folks believe that we're probably in a later inning, and so when does the music stop, so to speak, for real estate? Folks are also very concerned about the arbitrage between Wall Street and Main Street in terms of asset pricing, and so I think that will be a hot topic coming up in 6 months.
Paul, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks.
For more from REITWeek 2016, be sure to visit REIT.com.